everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another declutter and organizational video for you. We are going to declutter and organize my teenage son's closet. We are going to go from the top all the way down, organizing games, his school uniforms. My daughter also has her school uniforms here, and see how much we can get decluttered and organized in a very little time. If you enjoy videos like this, let me know in the comments so I'll keep doing videos like that. And remember, if you don't want to miss any videos from me, hit that subscribe button. So let's go ahead and get started. The dreaded teen boys closet. I had to give this a major clean out and organization. However, I feel like this is always evolving and I'm constantly doing it. I try to work with my son now that he is older, but sometimes that's not always an option. So in his closet, I like to work from the top all the way to the bottom. And like all my declutter and organizational projects, I like to pull everything out of the space and evaluate. And I put those items into 3 different categories: donate, trash, or keep. Items that I usually throw in the trash are things such as clothes that are stained up or torn, broken toys, missing games that have a lot of game pieces missing out of it, wrappers of any sort, broken items that I could not figure out where they belong. The clothing that we have not outgrown or my son doesn't love anymore, we donate those things. And we also do a pile of things that need to be altered and repaired. At this point, I'm usually about to put everything back into the closet, and I try to store the things that we frequently use all the way at the top or in the back of the closet. Such things as like dress shirts and pants and suits, I put those in the back of the closet, and maybe games and game pieces that we don't frequently use. I did find this Dollar Tree bin that I put some of our smaller games in and whatnot. This closet also does house some of my daughter's school uniforms and things of that nature, because her closet is like a 1/4 of this size closet. Eventually, we'd like to get this closet finished. Some finishing work needs to be done, and when we do that, I'll make sure I do an updated closet organization. I did want to mention, when I'm organizing clothes in a closet, I like to put a lot of the like items together, such as khaki dress slacks together, blacks together, grays, whites, and so forth. It just makes it visually nice, and then it also just makes for quick pulling a lot easier. Done with his closet to the best of my ability. Unfortunately, his closet is not finished. It does need a door. The second part of my house was an addition, so we do need to find someone to do this, put some drywall, mud and tape, and put in a door. So I'll update you once that's done, but it's been about 11 years since we finished that, so I'm gonna have to find someone to do that. So basically, we store all his games, well, his games, my daughter's games, and everything here upstairs. There just isn't enough room downstairs, and maybe one day eventually we'll do that. But so I basically store all the games in there to the best of my ability with the pieces. So as we play them, we'll look for pieces. I have like a tub with some miscellaneous pieces. All of his what do you call those, Nerf guns? Eventually we're going to go through those and declutter those, but he still kind of uses them, my daughter and his friends. He has a bin here with basketballs and his cars. That's what I was going through. He does need to downsize this, but he likes to keep a lot of the older cars that he doesn't use for parts. So that's all on the floor of the closet. So basically what he hangs in his closet is his jackets, extra jackets, long pants, and dress shirts. So we have that there. And eventually I'd like to go to the all white hangers. I just think it'll look more nice, aesthetically pleasing. And then my daughter also stores all of her dressier school clothes in here as well. She doesn't have a whole lot of room in her closet. So it didn't take me that long. Whatnot. I'd like to go through each of the games and make sure all the pieces are in there. But like I said, as we play them, we'll kind of go through and then put them back in some type of order. And this bin right here is games that are just like little small games like Uno and all that jazz. Also, eventually, like I said, we'd like to have all the games downstairs, but we just don't have the room. So if you enjoy organizational declutter videos, let me know by giving me a thumbs up or commenting below, and I will talk to you guys real soon.